Google Trends is a powerful free tool that can give you valuable insights into Google search. If you're a website owner, you can use Google Trends to find out what your audience is searching for, explore search trends and consistency over time and regions, making it easier to build your SEO strategy and have your perfect audience find your website. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Trends to do your keyword research, get more context around what your audience wants, and grow your website traffic and customer base. So just go to trends.google.com to go to Google Trends, and now type in a search keyword or phrase and click Explore. Now you can choose a topic or a specific keyword, and we'll stick with keywords for now, and I'll explain the differences later. So we'll choose search term. Now you'll see the data for that search keyword. Note that the numbers you see in Google Trends are directly from Google, but this data shows you the relative popularity scaled from 0 to 100 rather than an actual search volume. So this will show you how interest rises and falls and how it compares to competing terms, but you won't get the specific number of searches. So you can adjust the filters up here to get more context and open up this search. So for example, I'll choose worldwide instead of just a single country. For past day, I'm actually going to look at the past 30 days. You can narrow the category, but I will keep that empty just so that all categories are included. And you can decide if you want to see the data for these results in image search, news search, etc. I'll keep it for web search. So we can see the popularity of the search term, and if there are spikes, it can give you a clue about certain events or general patterns that can give that search term more popularity. So for example, if we open up this date range to the past 5 years, it may also give you insight into the seasons that a search term is more popular. This can help you match your business strategy with seasonal demands, like when you launch new products, start your holiday promotions, or advertise for seasonal sales. Now, if you scroll, you can see the most popular locations for this search term. This can give you more insights into where to focus your efforts. It can tell you if you're on the right track with your current business strategies, or you might want to offer pages for languages for that particular region. So you can also click on this drop-down to choose city instead. And keep in mind, you should know that this section is based on popularity as a percentage of one population. This means that cities with smaller populations might rise to the top of regional trends if they have a strong level of engagement with that topic. Now, if you scroll again, you can see related topics and related queries. Now first, I'll talk about the difference between a topic and a query. So a topic groups together related searches, including various spellings, synonyms, or even different language searches. And on the other hand, a query is an exact search term or keyword phrase. So this could be useful, for example, if you want to see the popularity of a topic overall, you can look at popularity by topic. But if you want to test out a specific phrasing or see which terms are more region specific, then you would look at the queries. And this can help you decide which search keywords to target in your website content. So in this case here, we can see the related topics. And on this side, you can see search terms word for word. And these are related to the query, face cream. So when you see these related topics and queries, it can give you a clue into other search keywords that you might want to optimize for, or if you have a blog, some topics that you might want to cover. Now let's scroll back up and let's look at one of the most powerful ways to use Google Trends, which is to gauge keywords against each other with compare. So we might add face moisturizer here. And then we'll also add facial moisturizer. So by using the compare feature, it can either help you refine your business strategy to see which products or services you want to offer or optimize for. This can also help you know which keywords you want to optimize for your website content depending on the trending search terms. If you want, you can also compare to competitors or brands, and that can help you gauge market share or how consumers feel about you versus your competitors. So that's just a quick overview of Google Trends and just some of the ways that you can use it to optimize your website content and business strategy. When you use Google Trends together with Google Search Console or Google Analytics, you can create an effective business strategy for your website content, for your advertising efforts, or even your business offerings overall. So that's it. Let us know if you have any other topics you want us to cover, and don't forget to subscribe to Website.com for more website tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.